Want to automate your email marketing and save hours every week? I'll show you exactly how to do it with Mailchimp, step by step. This is how you build a system that grows your audience and boosts sales on autopilot. Stick around to the end for a secret automation hack to supercharge your results. Today, it's all about mastering Mailchimp email marketing automation. We're covering everything from the basic setup of your first automated campaign to advanced strategies and optimization. Make sure you watch until the very end, because that bonus tip I mentioned is a true game changer you won't want to miss. So why is email automation a non-negotiable for modern marketing? Think of it as your best employee, working 24/7 to execute your strategy perfectly. The benefits are massive. First, you save incredible amounts of time. No more manually sending welcome emails. Automation does it instantly. Second, it allows for powerful personalization. You can send the right message to the right person at exactly the right time based on their actions, creating a tailored customer journey that builds trust. The data proves it. Automated emails consistently get higher open and click-through rates than standard campaigns. It's not just about being more efficient, it's about being profoundly more effective and building stronger, more profitable relationships with your audience. Alright, let's get into Mailchimp. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click the automations icon. This is your command center. Mailchimp provides excellent pre-built templates to get you started. You'll see options like welcome new subscribers, say happy birthday, and for e-commerce, the powerful abandoned cart email. The key is choosing the right automation for your goal. Trying to build a relationship with new leads. The welcome series is perfect. Want to recover lost sales? The abandoned cart automation is a must. Before you build, ask yourself, what is the one action I want a subscriber to take? Your answer will guide your entire setup and make your email automation far more effective. For this tutorial, we'll build the most crucial one, a welcome email series. Let's build a welcome series. In automations, click create, then classic automations. Find welcome new subscribers. Name your campaign something clear like new subscriber welcome and select your audience. Click begin. You're now in the workflow editor. The first thing is the trigger. By default, it's set to 1 day after subscribers join. We want it to be instant. Click edit, change the delay to immediately, and update trigger. Your new subscriber will now get that email the moment they sign up. Next, design the email. Click design email. Fill out the essentials, an internal name for the email, your subject line, preview text, from name, and email address. The subject line is critical. Instead of welcome, try you're in, here's what's next. Or use personalization like welcome to the community, vertical bar name, vertical bar. This merge tag pulls their first name and dramatically boosts open rates. Inside the drag and drop editor, your first email should do 3 things: confirm their subscription, deliver any promised lead magnet, and set expectations for future emails. Keep the focus on value, not a hard sell. Build the relationship first. Once that email is designed, save and return to the workflow. To add more emails, click add an email below the first one. Set the timing for this second email, maybe 2 days after the previous email was sent. This is a great spot to share popular content or tell your brand story. You can build out a multi-step sequence this way. Before going live, you must test. In each email's drop-down menu, find send a test email. Send it to yourself and check it on desktop and mobile. Do all the links work? Is the formatting correct? Once everything is perfect, go to the top right of the workflow page and click start sending. Confirm, and that's it. Your Mailchimp email marketing automation is now active and working for you. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to level up with advanced features. This turns your simple sequence into a smart, responsive system. Let's start with conditional logic or branching. In your workflow, you can add an if-else block. This splits your audience based on their behavior. For example, set a condition. Did the subscriber click the link in the previous email? If yes, send them down a path with more targeted content on that topic. If no, send them a different email to try and re-engage them. This is all powered by tags and segmentation. You can automatically add or remove tags from subscribers based on their actions. If someone clicks a link about beginner tips, you can tag them as beginner. Later, you can send campaigns specifically to everyone with that tag. You can even create complex segments like subscribers tagged as beginner who have also opened my last 5 campaigns. This level of targeting is how you deliver hyper-relevant content that drives engagement and sales. It moves you from broadcasting a message to having a personalized conversation, dramatically improving the effectiveness of your email automation. It is only the beginning of the process to set up and automate it. The process of monitoring and optimizing is what leads to real growth. Mailchimp's campaigns area is where you should go, and then you should click on reports. Using the automations filter, you may view the dashboard that contains all of your active processes. You should keep an eye on these 3 crucial parameters. To begin, let's talk about the open rate. The efficiency of your subject lines is evaluated using this indicator. If the subject line of an email has a low open rate, you should modify it. Second, the percentage of clicks. This reveals the number of individuals that are showing interest in your material. If the score is poor, you should reconsider the body content of the email as well as your call to action. Is it understandable and convincing? The rate of unsubscribes comes in third. It is a warning sign if a particular email creates a surge in the number of emails, but a few are usual. With the help of this data, you can continuously improve your automation. It is not a bad idea to take a break from the workflow, make changes to an email, and then restart it. Let's quickly go over a few mistakes that are frequently made and should be avoided. To begin, sending an excessive number of emails in a short amount of time. One should avoid overwhelming a new subscriber. Allow at least a day or 2 to pass between each of your emails, and finally, disregarding the segmentation. If you send the same generic message to every single person on your list, you are setting yourself up for low interaction. If you want greater results, you should begin segmenting your audience. The third issue is that there is no obvious call to action. There should be a reason behind each and every email. It is important to communicate to the reader exactly what it is that you want them to do next, whether it be clicking on a link, viewing a video, or responding to the email. Alright, here is the high-level hack. It is the implementation of A/B testing within your automations. There are a lot of folks who forget that this feature exists. It is possible to add a A/B split block to the workflow editor rather than simply adding a new email because of this feature. This enables you to compare and contrast several routes with one another. You have the option of experimenting with 2 completely alternative subject lines, different email content, or perhaps different timing delays as well. Mailchimp will handle the test for you automatically and will show you which version of the test performs better. The optimization of your most critical email automation is completely eliminating any room for error. Please click the like button if you find this Mailchimp tutorial to be helpful. Doing so is a great way to contribute to the expansion of the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any more stuff. A free Mailchimp automation checklist is also included in the description for you to download. I hope you find it useful. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you consider to be the most difficult obstacle in email marketing? Share your thoughts with me in the comments box below. Let me tell you about Tube Magic. It's an AI-powered toolbox that helps you grow a faceless YouTube channel faster. It gives you viral video ideas, titles, full scripts, optimized tags, and even SEO-friendly descriptions, all in minutes. It takes the guesswork out of growing on YouTube. I've been using it to streamline my video creation, and honestly, it's been a game changer. If you're serious about growing a faceless channel or just want to make YouTube easier, click the link in the description to check out Tube Magic. It's one of my favorite tools for creating content fast and ranking faster. You are very much appreciated for watching. In the following week, I will demonstrate how to rapidly expand your email list by utilizing the capabilities provided by Mailchimp. This will allow you to use even more individuals for your new automations. You won't want to pass up this opportunity. In the following video, I'll see you again.